It's not over until the fat lady sings. Understanding an English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a popular English idiom. It's not over until the fat lady sings. This phrase is a colorful part of the English language, and understanding its meaning and origins can add an interesting layer to your language skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, "It's not over until the fat lady sings," is an idiom used to convey that one should not assume the outcome of an event until it has actually happened. It suggests that the conclusion of any situation is uncertain and anything can happen until the very end. This idiom is often used in contexts where there is a chance for a late turnaround or when the outcome seems determined, but the final result is still pending. The origins of this phrase are somewhat debated, but it is widely believed to be rooted in the world of opera. In many operas, the final act often features a dramatic performance by a leading female singer, who traditionally might have been a fuller-figured woman. The saying implies that the opera is not truly over until this final performance takes place. Another theory suggests that it came from American sports commentary, gaining popularity in the 1970s as a way to say a game is not decided until the very end. This idiom can be applied in a variety of situations, from sports to everyday life scenarios. For example, in sports, even though they're down by 2 goals, it's not over until the fat lady sings. They could still win. In personal goals, I know the odds are against me in this competition, but it's not over until the fat lady sings. I still have a chance. In business, our rivals might be leading now, but it's not over until the fat lady sings. Let's keep pushing until the very end. Using this phrase can add a layer of dramatic flair to your speech or writing, emphasizing that nothing is certain until it is conclusively finished. And there you have it, folks. The idiom, "It's not over until the fat lady sings," is a vivid reminder of the unpredictability of events and the importance of not giving up hope until the very end. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a fun, new expression to your English vocabulary. Don't forget, in the journey of learning English, it's not over until, well, you know the rest. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.